Magandang araw sa lahat. The YouTube channel of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Limbas Law Corner is back to once again render service in the field of law for our countrymen, o yung pagbahagi ng aming kaunting kaalaman sa larangan ng batas para sa kapakanan ng sambayanang Pilipino. Brought to you by the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2 sa pamamagitan ng inyong lingkod na isa ng mga abogado at isang guro ng batas sa maraming law school sa ating bansa. Well, the topic. Itong topic ito, pangkaraniwan lang ito na maririnig natin. Na hoy, ang dokumentong yan, walang bisa yan. Oh, bakit? Kasi hindi notarized. Now, is notarization an essential requisite for the validity of a contract or a document? O ito yon. Ayon sa ating Civil Code of the Philippines, so long as the contract or agreement is not contrary to law, public order, or public policy, or public morals, or is not expressly declared by law to be void, the contract is valid. Now, how about notarization? Well, the fact that a contract or agreement or a document is not notarized will not make the agreement, the contract, or document void. No. Notarization will only make the document a public document. So, notarization is not intended to make the contract valid. No. But simply to make the contract a public document. Not because a contract is notarized, valid na ba? Halimbawa, ang isa sa mga provisions ng kontrata o sa document na yan, wala namang bisa dahil contrary to law. Will it become valid simply because the document is notarized? No. The document is still void if it is contrary to law. Notarization, I repeat, will not make a contract or document valid. Okay, sana maliwanagan ang maraming sambayanang Pilipino nito na pag sinabi, hindi yan, walang bisa yan, hindi yan notarized, ay mga kababayan, sambayanang Pilipino. Mag-ingat tayo sa mga salita ng masyadong marunong. Pero pag tinanong mo tungkol dyan, hindi naman niya alam ano yung notarization, ano palang purpose. So sana nakapaglingkod na naman kami kung ano yung tama ayon sa batas. Again, brought to you by the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2. Maraming salamat, magandang umaga sa lahat ng sambayanang Pilipino.